A regular candle tells you where price opened, closed, and how far it moved. What it does not tell you is who was actually trading at each price along the way. That is exactly what a footprint chart shows you. DeepCharts is an order flow platform you can trade through an Optimus Futures account. And in today's video, I will show you how to set up a footprint chart, choose the view you want, and read what it is telling you. So what is a footprint chart exactly? In DeepCharts, it's called the deep print, and it takes a normal candle and breaks it open. Instead of just the body and the wick, you see two numbers at every price level. One is the volume that traded at the bid, and one is the volume that traded at the ask. From those, you get the delta, which is just the buy volume minus the sell volume at that level, so you can see which side was more aggressive. Setting up a footprint chart in DeepCharts is extremely simple. All you need to do is load a candlestick chart the way you normally would, and then down here at the bottom toolbar, you'll see a row of preset buttons. The one for footprint is OFBA, so we'll go ahead and click on that, and it will load the footprint chart for that particular time frame that you're on. So this was a 5-minute candle. Now it's a 5-minute footprint chart. There's a few different views that you can attach to this footprint chart. If you come down here to OFBA and right click, it'll bring up settings. And right now the type is ask bid split. But if we want to change that, just click on the drop down and we can do delta and then apply. So now we are seeing the delta at each price level. You can also see delta and total volume. So now it is showing the delta at each price level as well as the total volume. The other preset buttons at the bottom allow for a different view of the same information. So normally we'll be on order flow, bid ask, but you can also do volume profile. So this is just adding a volume profile to each candlestick. So this is the total volume as well as the bid and the ask. And you can play around with these other presets if you'd like and see what one fits your style the best. So now I have the footprint chart active on the 1-minute chart. And if we zoom in on this candle, we'll take a look at every price level. So what this is telling us is that during this up candle, there were more market buyers at almost every level except for this one right here on the way up. So at this price level, this wick, there was only one contract that sold into the bid, and then the market moved up. And yeah, there were a lot of offers being absorbed, but the majority of it was market buying into the offer. A few other quick things that might make it helpful to read these charts is if you come down here and right click and come down to tick grouping. This is standard on automatic, but you can set it to manual and specify how many ticks it groups the price by. So if I do 4, there will be less information. If I go down to 2, more, and then automatic, you'll see every price level. The other thing that might be helpful is to click on POC and enable it. And this will show you the point of control for every single bar that trades. So to recap, a footprint takes a candle and shows you who was trading at each price level, the volume on the bid, the volume on the ask, the delta, and the imbalances. In DeepCharts, you can load a candlestick chart, click OFBA on the bottom bar, and then read it level by level. If you want to set this up on your own charts, you can open an Optimus Futures account at the link in the description and select DeepCharts during onboarding. If this was helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.